Hello Fluffies! Do you like Hello Kitty? Today I'm going to show you where to find all the Sanrio goods in Tokyo, but this can be applied to anywhere in Japan. I'm going to teach you what to look for specifically and what kind of shop to go to. Let's go. The first kind of shop will be the Sanrio shops. Like this one, the Sanrio gift gate. You can just look up on Google Maps and it will show up. And you can go and find a super cool selection of products. As official Sanrio stores, you'll find also Sanrio Now. This one in the Lumine East in the Shinjuku station, and this one is actually super tiny and I couldn't find any product that I had not seen in other shops. So this one, maybe you'll find a bigger Sanrio Now somewhere, but this one here is kind of tiny. This big Sanrio store here in Keio in the Shinjuku station is actually a lot bigger than the one in Lumine, and it has product that I have not seen anywhere else. So consider going to this one instead. The Sanrio store in the Takashimaya is actually mid-size and has a lot of products, but most of them you can find in other places, so maybe it's not worth going all the way to this one here in Shinjuku. I would definitely say that the Sanrio store in Harajuku is a must visit because it has a lot of things that I have not seen everywhere else and it's really cute. In the Topu department store in the Ikebukuro station, there's a huge Sanrio store that actually they call it Small Gift Big Smile. That is kind of the first time I see that. And they do have some products that I had not seen anywhere else. In the B1 floor of Sunshine City in Ikebukuro, you will find the Sanrio Vivitex store. And it's a mid-size one. They did have some products that I had not seen anywhere, but not many. The Hello Kitty Japan shop in the Shibuya station has mostly the same thing as everywhere else, so maybe you don't need to go all the way there. There's also a Sanrio store in the Shibuya 109 tower, Ichimeru-kyu. It's also the same kind of products that you have seen everywhere else, but they have a big TV and showing Sanrio stuff. On the second floor of the Nishi-Ginza department store, there's a huge Sanrio store that takes almost a whole floor, and they have the Bling Me section with tons of things with rhinestones, and I have never seen that anywhere else in Tokyo so far, so you should definitely go for it. Shop in the Takashimaya of Nihonbashi does not have anything special that you would not find anywhere else, so you might not need to go there. Now let's enter the categories of Sanrio gift gates that actually have their own storefront and they are gorgeous. So this one here in Ikebukuro, very close to the station. Look at how pretty the building is. The Sanrio gift gate in Ueno is super cool because it has a lot of things with panda because of the panda in the Ueno Zoo. Apart from the main Sanrio shops, the way to find super cool goods is, for example, going to secondhand shop like this one here, Lashing Bang, and you will find sections with Sanrio goods, and sometimes I have those trays or on the wall or on the racks, and you'll find plushies and badges and goodies like that, and they are usually sorted by character, like all the Hello Kitties, all the Wish Me Mails, blah 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 together. Surugaya is another one of those secondhand stores, and I have a whole floor in Marui Annex. And another cool way to get super hard to find Sanrio merch is finding stores that have collab with Sanrio. You would not imagine how many stores or even cafes have current collabs with Sanrio that can last only a few weeks or month and then will be gone forever. So try to find stores that might have super cool collabs. I cannot list them all obviously because they will change all the time. This is another case of a collab with a store and some Sanrio products, in this case only Hello Kitty, that you cannot find elsewhere. Crocs has a collab with Hello Kitty and Friends and have adorable shoes and also some of those clippy things that you can put on top. In the third floor of the Piparco in the Ikebukuro station, there's Sanrio Anime Store, only with anime goods that are collabs with Sanrio. Candice River on the first floor had a collab with Hello Kitty and some My Melody and also Maroon cream items, super cute ones. Another random Nomi store that has some collaboration items with Sanrio. This shop Lavery has a collaboration with Sanrio and they had one last year also, so it's probably ongoing. This store here in Lavery has a very limited edition pop-up store with tons of collabs with Hello Kitty and Friends. This shop at level 5 of La Forêt has tons of Sanrio products that are really not seen everywhere. They're exclusive. Last year I think they had another pop-up store also with different Sanrio products, but I highly suggest that you come try it and see all the different cool things they have. And they had some characters that are not seen a lot at all. This brand Good Glass has a super big collab with Hello Kitty and tons of Hello Kitty and Friends glass products. You can really find Hello Kitty collabs completely randomly. So here with the sneaker brand and jeans, so totally normie stuff. It will be all different when you do visit Japan. Just look for it, they're everywhere. ACDC Rags has a collab with Sanrio, so there's things with My Melody and Cinema Roll, and I think this is the last item. So if you want to go fast, but I think the Cinema Roll items were already here last year. Random food pop-up will also always have some collab with characters and probably Sanrio. Another way of getting Sanrio goods is going to UFO catchers. So if you're interested and skilled at getting those crane games, maybe you can get some cool Sanrio merch. Yakuin shops like Seria or Daiso, like 100 yen stores, which is about 60 cents of a dollar, has tons of character goods from Disney and Sanrio, and that means that you can get super cheap character goods for presents, for example. This store, Thank You Mart, is actually a store where everything is 390 yen, so that's super cheap, and they do have a lot of Sanrio stuff, and you can find this store in a lot of places. Usually Daisos will have a big Sanrio section. This one here in Harajuku, you go to the first floor, like the ground level, all the way at the end you'll find 2 walls full of Sanrio products. And they are exclusive to Daisos. There is always some Sanrio products in the pharmacies for some reason. And by the way, if you're looking at department store list or maps, things like that, usually Sanrio stores in Sanrio goods will be listed under character goods. Another place where you're sure to find Sanrio character goods is Gachapon. There's tons of machines, and if you look, you'll definitely find a lot of Sanrio goods. Every time there's a character cafe or Sanrio cafe in general, there will always be merch for sale somewhere, so you can go there for exclusive items. The most important thing about looking for Sanrio product is understanding that every single types of shops and kind of brand will have different products. Like all the Sanrio gift gates will have different products than the Sanrio parks. Then the Kiddie Land, some might overlap, but most of the time they're different products. And you might want to visit as many different stores as you can and not just go to the first thing that says Sanrio and that's it, because you'll find so many different kind of products and some have different characters and everything, so be prepared to hunt for many different stores. In bookstores, in the magazine section, you will find usually some kind of boxes with limited edition goods that will go with or without the magazine, and they will have Sanrio products there usually. Kiddieland usually has either a big standalone store or a whole section in a big department store, and so you'll always find Sanrio goods at Kiddieland, sometimes a whole floor or at least a big section. Don Quixote is a crazy store that has everything, usually on several floors. Some of the stores are even open 24/7, and they usually have a Sanrio goods section that is quite big. This one here is on the first floor in the Shinjuku station, but sometimes it can be somewhere else. Look at the character goods section in the map and the floor guide. The big camera stores will have a toy section, and in the toy section, if the store is big enough, you will find some Sanrio merch, and they're kind of different from the ones you will see in the Sanrio regular stores. This shop here on Takashitadori in Harajuku has also a lot of Sanrio products that I have not seen anywhere else. This is another store in Harajuku on Takashitadori that have a few Sanrio products, and some are exclusive. Paris Kid is an accessory brand, but you can see a lot of Sanrio stuff in the front here. At Pop Mart, you can usually find Sanrio products. I cannot enter this one here in Harajuku because there's a Labubu sale or something. There's a line that goes around the block, so you just have to trust me and go for it. Usually they're almost also sold out, the Sanrio product at Pop Mart. They're very popular. Top Toys is a shop that usually sells figures and blind boxes, a bit like Pop Mart, and they usually have collabs with Sanrio. And there was one here in Shibuya Park. Apparently Toys R Us are not closed in Japan, and they do have some Sanrio products. In Sanrio Poland, they have many different stores, and at the moment they have a My Melody and Kuromi store where you can find some merch that you will not find anywhere else. Go to Sanrio Poland, and most of the stores will have different products than in the Sanrio stores outside, so go check them out. So I've taken you through dozens, if not hundreds, of stores where you can find Sanrio. This is not even all the main Sanrio stores or all the potential places that you can find Sanrio products in Tokyo or anywhere in Japan, but this will probably give you ideas of where to look. And remember, this is not always the main character area that you'll find stuff. Sometimes you'll have to find different stuff at different places of the stores also, and so you have to be creative. But good luck. I really hope that you'll find your dream Sanrio product. So if this video helped you even a little bit finding Sanrio product, consider subscribing, and I have a whole channel with videos about Sanrio and Hello Kitty Island Adventure. Bye bye!